Why'd you do this to me? After everything I've done for you.
Is your maidenhair fern crispy, crunchy, and looking like a sad bag of kale chips? Do you have a maidenhair fern that looks like this? Yeah, same. But don't throw it out yet. These plants may be drama queens, but they can make a stunning comeback with the right care. And you're not a bad plant parent. You just brought home the biggest diva in the plant kingdom. Welcome back to Moody Blooms, where the plants are moody and so are we. Today we're talking about maidenhair fern care, what they love, what they hate, and why this moody queen is secretly plotting against your sanity. Stick around because you'll learn the number one reason your maidenhair fern is dying, how to keep it lush, green, and thriving, and my secret revival hack for crispy ferns that look completely dead. First up, light. Maidenhair ferns don't want direct sunlight. They'll burn faster than me at a summer barbecue. They want bright and direct light. A north or east facing window, perfect. Direct sun, absolutely not. That's like sending a vampire to the beach. These ferns are thirsty. Not like, oh, I could use a drink. I mean thirsty. If the soil dries out even for a hot minute, your fern will collapse. Keep the soil constantly moist, not soggy, not bone dry, just perfectly damp, like a wrung out sponge. Miss one watering? Congratulations, you now own a crispy salad. Maidenhair ferns need high humidity levels. Aim for 50 to 70%. And no, that is not your living room unless you live in a rainforest or unless your shower runs 24/7. Most living rooms are bone dry. So what do? Pebble tray, plant group hangout, or my personal fave, the humidifier. Seriously, just buy the humidifier. Treat your fern like it's at a luxury spa because apparently that is what it signed up for.
You better fix my entire life, you little...
Next, let's talk soil and potting. This fern wants a mix that drains well but stays moist. Go for peat moss and perlite. And yes, your pot must have drainage holes. Don't put her in that cute little pot with no drainage. That's like running a marathon in high heels. Also plant murder. But seriously, don't stick them in a pot with no drainage hole. Okay, what do you do if your fern looks dead? First, don't panic. Here's the revival hack. Trim all the crispy fronds. Keep the soil moist and put it back in the humidity spa. Then wait. New growth might surprise you. Maidenhair ferns love drama. They'll ghost you, then come back like nothing happened.
She's back!
My first maidenhair fern, dead in a week. Why? Because I treated it like a pothos. Rookie mistake. These plants are not pothos. These plants are extra, dramatic, but fabulous if you give them the lifestyle they demand. So to recap, bright and direct light, consistently moist soil, humidity spa life, and drainage is a must. Basically, treat your maidenhair fern like a royalty, and maybe, just maybe, it won't ghost you. Thanks for watching Moody Blooms. If this video saved your fern from a tragic end, hit that like button. Subscribe for more plant therapy sessions, and comment. Tell me what's your biggest struggle with these maidenhair ferns. Is it humidity, watering, keeping them alive on vacation, or the emotional damage? And remember, if your plants are moody, it's probably your fault. Just kidding, kind of. We'll see you next time.